In this video, I will be showing you how to upload a PDF on Deepseek. Let's get started. First, I open up a new tab in my web browser. I click on the search bar at the very top of the screen and start typing in Deepseek. I notice some suggestions drop down, so I move my mouse down and click on Deepseek Login from the list. This brings up the Google search results page. I locate the official Deepseek link near the top and click on it. Once the Deepseek website loads, I see the main chat interface. There are a few different mode options available here like Instant, Expert, and Vision, but I want to stay right here in the main setup. I move my cursor down to the prompt box where it says Message Deepseek. To the right side of this message bar, I spot a small paperclip icon, which is the attachment button. I click on it, and my File Explorer window pops up immediately. Now, I look through my files and find the document titled Same-Sex Marriage Article. I click on it to select it, and then I click the Open button at the bottom right of the window. The PDF begins uploading, and I see a small progress wheel that transitions from pending to parsing as the system processes the document. Once the PDF is completely uploaded, it shows up as a red file block right inside the message bar. Now, I can type out my request. I write a detailed prompt asking it to analyze the PDF and explain its contents, including identifying the main topic, summarizing each section, describing perspectives, highlighting takeaways, and concluding with important lessons. With the prompt filled out, I click the blue arrow Send button on the far right. The window automatically updates, moving the uploaded document into the conversation history. Deepseek instantly goes to work, generating an extensively detailed response based on the uploaded text. I can see it breaking down the information exactly as I asked, organizing the response into numbered sections starting with the main topic and moving into a section-by-section summary. I take a moment to scroll down the page to review the full output. It continues into the third section detailing different perspectives, then lists key takeaways in section 4, and finally finishes with a breakdown of the most important lessons a reader should learn. Everything from the document has been successfully processed and neatly organized. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.